Are your Jeep JK sun visors rattling? If so, might be the problem. Right here, there is supposed to be a little plastic sleeve that goes over, and basically what it happens is it deteriorates and dry rots with the sun, falls off, and now it doesn't fit in there. Well, I want to show you how to fix it like this. Whoops. I'm going to show you how to go from that to that. No more rattling. First thing you want to do is get you some 1/4 inch vacuum line. Very simple. Measure it and then split it down the half and fill it with weather stripping adhesive. Put it back on and let it dry, and that's it. There's also no need to remove these, but if you want to remove them, just got some little Torx bits right there, but you don't really need to do it. You just pull it down, pull it towards you, and let's take a measurement. So we'll cut it about right there. All right, now that I've cut my 1/4 inch vacuum line, I'm going to take this vintage help section Motormite manufacturing given to me by Steve Chester. Yes, I know there's another one out there. He knows who it is. But these are Steve Chester's. I'm not sure he gave me this. I may have just taken it. So I'm sorry, Steve. But so we're going to use a 1/4 inch vacuum line. And I'm using some of this 3M black weather strip adhesive. You might can use something else. I really don't know. But I've used this. It's very strong and it kind of stays pliable. And it's worked well on my other one. So we're going to do this one. Okay, now you see I've used my vintage cutter. And I've split the hose. So now I'm going to fill it with this. This stuff's very gooey, so be careful with it. I'm not going to film putting it in because I need both hands. Okay, so now that I've gotten it filled with the gunk, I'm going to press it in there. So now I've pressed it on there. It's kind of gooey, so you don't want to click it in there. You don't want to click it in until it dries. But once it dries, it'll look something like that. And it doesn't look the best, but it doesn't rattle anymore. It works perfect coming in and out. And it's better than paying $60 for something that all you need is a piece of cheap plastic. So hope this helps.